Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. So guys, in this video we will talk about the websites from where you can download mods for your PC games, like mods for GTA, mods for Far Cry, mods for any other game. So let's get started. So number one on our list is Steam Workshop. So guys, if you have games installed on your PC from Steam, then you can use this website Steam Workshop and add the available mods for your games and play them. And next website for mods is ModDB. So guys, it's another popular modding website that offers mods for different PC games. So guys, next website is my favorite. It's called Nexus Mod. So guys, it provides mods and modding for different popular PC games, including Cyberpunk, Blood and Sorcery, Fallout, etc. You can check this website out and download your favorite mods. Then we have another website called CurseForge. So guys, it's another popular website from where you can download mods for your games, and this website is popular for the games including Minecraft, World of Warcraft and Skyrim. And next website we have is called Simtropolis. So guys, as the name indicate, this website is good and provide mods for the games like SimCity and other world building games. And next we have this website called Modland. So guys, it also provides mods for different games, which mostly include the games like American Truck Simulator, Euro Truck Simulator and Farming Simulator, different simulator games. So this website is best for those mods. And last but not the least, we have a website called GTA 5 mods. So guys, if you're a fan of GTA 5, then make sure to check this website out, because it has almost all the famous and popular mods for GTA 5. You can download many of them for free from this website. And that's all guys, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.